that for some reason the rebel forces just took over and made it into a giant, like, battle fortress or something.
The suspiciously tall targets are enemy headquarter installations. The morale of the troops is rising due to the HQ installations. Destroy the HQ facilities first and eradicate their will to fight.
These things sure are suspicious. What was their being buildings and shit? Yeah. Well, that was the suspicious building. I hope you liked it. Now, this part's really annoying because they have missile launch. This building has missile launchers, and you have to destroy the place bit by bit. And if you don't have a good weapon, it really sucks. Like, that overcharge attack thing, it helps for this, but you don't need it because you should have the multi-missile launcher. That makes short work of... Okay, it sort of hits more than one thing. Yep. So, for some reason, you have to hit all... Oh, there we go.
Now that's what
Once
I
again,
expect
being
from
proven
a
wrong.
US president. Nice thinking on your feet. Uh-oh, Mr. President. Could this be a thank you for destroying the area? It looks like you're gonna receive a lovely present.
Jody, you're bad at sarcasm.
Presidential diet. I guess he's had too much.
So yeah, this is like the first challenging part of the game. The dude just shoots a ton of shit at you, and you pretty much have to shoot down his rockets in order to not get raped. You can see I already am missing one of my health orbs. Yeah, that's sort of substantial for this part of the game when you have like just the starting like what 7-6 out road.
Mr. President, the fuselage damage rate is above 50%. Enough playing around.
Fuck you, Jody.
How about bringing it up a notch?
So yeah, she'll just keep berating me.
That's Mr. President. The fuselage damage rate is over 70%. Mr. President, the quickness in your step seems gone. Have you been getting enough sleep?
She bitches you out. Okay, shit. Okay, I shot down almost all the missiles. And that helps because I don't get killed. I believe that if you die here, you still have to do the entire level over again. So, oh shit. Yep. I'm a pro player. I'm a pro president.
You're in danger.
Yeah, I'm in danger, whatever, I won. Fuck
What
you.
a perfect display of your talents, Mr. President.
Not really, Jody. Nothing to get excited about.
Whatever. I just did a subpar
The enemy
job.
forces in San Francisco have been annihilated. Nice work, Mr. President.
Sure.
All in a day's work, huh, Mr. President?
Nope, we've only just begun. The fight will continue. As long as the America inside my heart is still alive.
No huge fucking cutscene at the end of the level, I think. No wait, there's more shit right after this. So, I got 6 out of 6 of something, and 34 out of 37 of another thing. I don't think that 6 out of 6 is POWs, because remember, that one blew up. I'm still sad about that. And look at all those numbers, hot damn. And yeah, I got the FLT 350, and the MP7 Incendiary. It's our first submachine gun. It's helpful for shooting down rockets. And some scribbles. Yep, that sure was some stuff. I got a D ranking. I'm terrible, I should kill myself. Thanks, Gabe. And here's some more story. I'll actually try finding some translations at some point. Maybe.
Mr. President,
yeah,
the Information Management Department received an email that might interest you.
An email?
Actually, it's a sound file.
Play it for me.
Yes, boss.
We are seeking volunteers to oppose the coup d'etat forces. Awaiting response from fellow sympathizers.
The sound quality is terrible.
What a fucking bitch.
Could you try and contact the person who sent the email?
No, he's demanding.
Sure, of course, boss.
Maybe America's faith in freedom hasn't faded just yet. And Jody, I'm taking back our country, going from west to east.
Go west. I mean, east, young man.
You suck. You all suck.
Huh? Mr. President, we got a message from the Information Management Department. The coup d'etat forces are making an announcement on national television.
Connect me.
Do this, do that.
Dear fellow Americans, good evening. This is an announcement from the Government Policy Promotion Department, where the password is overflowing love and daily benevolence. Today, we bring you a most unfortunate bulletin. Last evening, the city of San Francisco suffered extensive damage at the hand of Metal Wolf, who suddenly appeared. In addition to slaughtering unresisting citizens, this heinous terrorist took citizens hostage and made an unjust demand for the release of violent criminals and the sum of $500 million. This vicious act could easily be the worst in U.S. history. Metal Wolf's pilot is meaner than Satan himself. And we will not permit him to get away with acts like this. We Americans will never yield to such evil. We Americans will obtain our own justice. Although martial law continues, my fellow Americans, please bear with our situation. To defend this lovable nation, let's lead the brave fight together. This has been an announcement from the Government Policy Promotion Department, where our motto, justice over theory, is your motto.
We've been made public enemy number one. How about seeking exile or asking for help from other nations?
No. I'm the president. I can't be the one to start a war in this country.
So I'm just gonna blow it all
I'll
up.
be the one to wage the war.
Mr. President.
Hey, Jody, update me on the situation in the West.
So, yep. See you next time when I do another mission. I wonder which one of these yellow dots will be our next mission.